America kunye neUkraine isivumelene ngokuthi kufuneka kuthathwa amagadango angezelelekileko ukuqeda ukujokola kwe-Russia eUkraine. Ingikhulu ezimbalwa ze-America zithi iRussia ibawa iChina insetshenziswa zamajoni, kodwa iBeijing ithi impiko leyo imamalahlaza. Undonankulu weBritain uBoris Johnson uphakamise bona kuqedwe ibhile nje khona.
We are united in our view of this catastrophic venture by Vladimir Putin. I know that we're united in our view that he must not succeed, that we must help the people of Ukraine.
Ezinye inarha ze-European Union zigandelela ukuthi iUkraine kufuze yenziwe ilunga le-EU.
We, as a family of democratic nations, would want them also to be able to join our union of freedom-loving democracies.
Kanti kusahlelweni kwembikindaba eUkraine kube nokuhlatshwa kumbi ngemva kokudunyuzwa kubulawa umbikindaba weAmerica. Umlingane kaBrand Renault ngokomsebenzi uthi usathukiwe ngemva kokusinda.
We crossed the first bridge in Irpin. We're going to film other refugees leaving, and we got into a car. Somebody offered to take us to the other bridge, and we crossed the checkpoint, and they start shooting at us.
Umeluleki wezevikeleko weAmerica uJake Sullivan uthi khona okuzokwenzeka iChina nayingasiza iRussia ekukhandeleni ukutswinywa ngenxa yepi. Nakusenjalo ungqongqothe wezangaphandle eRussia uSergey Lavrov uthi uhlangene nomlingani wakhe ngokwesikhundla weQatar eMoscow. iRussia itsho kwazala umlomo ukuthi abekuhlogeki bona kuthunyelwe abalethi kuthula behlangano yenitshaba ezibumbeneko eUkraine.